To set up the face unlock feature on Xiaomi 17, first of all we need to open settings. Now over here we're gonna scroll down a little bit and we need to go to fingerprints, face data and screen lock option. Now after opening this we can find the face unlock option over here, so you want to tap on it. Of course make sure that you have the screen lock password created, without it you will not be able to set up the face recognition feature. Alright, so after going over here we need to enter our screen lock password and go next. Now we have the information about the face data, so of course we're gonna press start. We can also see the information that face unlock feature is actually less secure than a typical password, but we can just tap on next in order to finally start scanning our face. So now you just need to put your face inside the frame in order to scan your face. Alright, there we go. Once you are done, you can set up the name if you want to, or you can just tap on done and move on to the settings. Here we can find some additional settings for the face recognition, so if you need to, you can go through them and adjust the face unlock feature. And that is pretty much it. Leave a like and subscribe.